வணக்கம். சத்தமே காணோம். வணக்கம். I think that was a most inspirational, most motivating, a talk that was delivered by that wonderful lady. Please give once again a very round applause for her. So next 45 minutes I will take you through my journey. And this journey is very inspiring. Every segment of society enjoys it. And I am pretty sure all of you will enjoy. Something similar to what Revati told. Birth itself was a shock. Within no time, she understood she has limitations. She had polio. I was demonetized at birth, which means my father was neither an employee nor an employer. I am born in a village which is some 25 kilometers away from here, Appa Naikan Patti Pudur. A village which was very difficult to live, but fortunately I was born in a village. Have you understood what I am talking? Fortunately, I was born in a village. Ennude slides vandirukka? I want my slides to be on. I believe there are 30% of people from Kerala are here. I want to justify. My English is very simple. Tamilin மீது எனக்கு ஆழ்ந்த பற்று. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் என்னை அழைத்த பொழுது நான் தமிழில் தான் பேசுவேன் என்று நினைத்து வந்தேன். ஆனால் இங்கு ஒரு 30% people from Kerala are there. So I will speak simple English. English புரியலையா? Simple English, right? So luckily I am from a village. Successful, lucky are those who are born in a village, because in villages you are having an MBA. An MBA for which there is no theory, only practical. Morning to evening, only problem solving. புரிஞ்சுதா? Only problem solving from morning to evening. Lucky are those who are born to poor. Because if you are not enjoying life, that means you have not seen empty intestine. Empty intestine teaches you everything in life. So fortunately I was poor. One day I was yelling at my daughter for not doing something in a way in which I would have done. She looked at me and she told me, "Dad, you had the luxury of poverty." You got what I'm talking? Luxury of poverty. I will tell you what is the luxury in poverty. Poverty gives you stamina. Because if you have money, stamina is gone. பயந்துறீங்களா? உண்மைங்க. My next 45 minutes உங்களுக்கு பல பக்கம் அப்படியே கொடைஞ்சு நோண்டி எடுக்கும். Listen to me. It worked for me. I am successful and I want you people to understand it. Following or not is your choice. Stamina gives you, poverty gives you stamina. Poverty gives you courage. ஏழைக்கு இழப்பதற்கு ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. இழப்பதற்கு ஒன்றுமே இல்லை என்றால் பயமே இல்லை. நல்ல கை தட்டினீங்கன்னா நிறைய பஞ்ச் லைன் சொல்லுவேன். Poverty gives you delta. Delta is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 your current position, x1 past. My x1 was 0. There is no downside for zero. See loud birds. I loved pains. And today I am very successful only because I was born in a village and my mother was the most courageous lady. Because my father did not make money, but she had 5 children. PPT வரலையா? PPT உங்க சப்போர்ட்டுக்கு நான் எப்படி இருந்தாலும் பேசிறேன். So, mother. The lady had 2 buffaloes, 10 liters of milk a day, 70 liters of milk a week, 1 rupee per liter, 70 rupees income per week. And she made sure, without borrowing from anyone in life, she made sure that her children all were Chennai University graduates and Mumbai University postgraduates. 70 ரூபாயில எங்க அம்மா நிர்மலா சீதாராமனை விட பெட்டர் பட்ஜெட் போட்டாங்க. பஞ்சாயத்து யூனியன் ஆரம்ப பள்ளி, சுல்தான்பேட்டை ஊராட்சி ஒன்றியம், Tamil medium school, 5 classes, 1 classroom, 1 class teacher. That's simple. Tamil Nadu had wonderful chief ministers, past tense. கை தட்ட மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க. There was a chief minister, Mr. Kamaraj, who brought meals to the schools. Had he not brought meals to the schools, I would have not gone to school. மதிய உணவு வராமல் இருந்திருந்தால் நான் பள்ளி சென்றிருக்க மாட்டேன். இன்று நான் இங்கே நின்று கொண்டு பேசிக் கொண்டிருக்க மாட்டேன். அதற்காக அவருக்கு நன்றி சொல்லுகிறேன். No Horlicks, no Bonvita, no Complan, no cakes, no fruits, no parent teacher association, no birthday parties, no school bus. And I want all of you to understand, I was fortunate to be in that village, in that poverty, in that school which brought me where I am. I don't have a photograph of my school. ஒரு கையில ஸ்லேட்டு, இன்னொரு கையில பிளேட்டு, 2 அலுமினியம். That's my childhood. So, half trouser தான் பட்ஜெட். ஃபுல் ட்ரவுசர் போட முடியாது. ஃபுல் ட்ரவுசர் போட்டவன் எல்லாம் பணக்கார. இன்னைக்கு ஆஃப் ட்ரவுசர் போட்டவன் தான் பணக்கார. ஒரு பஞ்ச் லைன் கேட்கணுமா? கிழிஞ்சது போட்டா ஏழை, கிழிச்சு போட்டா பணக்கார. சோ எப்படியோ நல்ல நிறைய பார்ட் டைம் ஜாப் அது இது எல்லாம் பண்ணி ஸ்ரீ ராமகிருஷ்ணா மிஷன் வித்யாலயம், பெரியநாயக்கன் பாளையம், பிஎஸ்சிலையும் ஒரு காமெடி. நான் மேத்ஸ்ல 200க்கு 200 மார்க் வாங்கினேன். இன்ஜினியரிங் போடலான்னு ஆசைப்பட்டேன். எங்க அப்பா 5 வருஷம் எல்லாம் ஆகாது, 3 வருஷம் சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கொண்டாரு. ப்ராஸ்பெக்டஸ்ல பாக்குறாரு, பிகாம்ல 4 எழுத்து, பிஎஸ்சில 3 எழுத்து. Market will pay you 500 for thyroid. Don't take 500, take 300, keep 200, give me 100. 60% margin. That fellow fell unconscious. For the last 20 years, he is running from pillar to post to make me rich. And I am not working, telling only stories. Have you noticed it? So the power is creating a concept and giving that man more money so that that man works for you. Guys, if you are doing business, trust me, there is a punchline of mine. Try to give more, you will get less. Try to give more. Try to take more, you will get less. Try to take less, you will get more. Is that clear? So this concept worked. Velumani became a very powerful man all over the country. Or mathematician doing pathology business. A Madarasi sitting in Mumbai and roaring. And a government officer, suddenly very powerful employer. I want all of you to understand one more thing which is very unique. I have done a McDonald's also. I'm giving an example. McDonald's is not mine. She's clapping her hand. McDonald's gives you only burger, not masala dosa, fried rice. Am I right? I do only biochemistry. I don't do pathology. I don't do biochemistry. Sorry. I don't do pathology. I don't do microbiology. I only do biochemistry. You want to understand it better? HDFC gives only housing loan. Other banks give housing loan also. I do only biochemistry. Other guys do biochemistry also. I have done a Ola. Until Ola came into country, taxis were standing for 20 hours and running for 4 hours. Today they run 24 hours. Today thyroid testing machines are running 24 hours. It was not running. I have created Amazon. From Indonesia to Saudi Arabia, whichever country you are, get into the website, order for my test, my man will come to your door. கோயம்புத்தூர்ல ஒரு பட்டி காட்டுல இருந்து ஒரு வில்லேஜ்ல இருந்து ஒரு பாவர்ட்டில இருந்து வந்தவனுக்கு மட்டும்தான் மூளை டிஃபரெண்டா வேலை செய்யும், எல்லாருக்கும் வேலை செய்யாது. Business has grown. I never borrowed. Personally, I have not borrowed in my life. My company doesn't have any debt. Today it is 3,000 crore in the market cap, zero debt. So many people ask a question, how is that it possible? What are you talking? My mother never borrowed. She had only 70 rupees budget. She managed everything. I learned from my mother how to live without taking a loan. Shock airicha? Guys, only stress in today's world, it is more for Rotarians, is because of EMI. I want all of you to understand, 50 years back, there was no word EMI, there was no word stress. Today, everybody is reeling under EMI. You know why EMI comes? It is because of the neighbor. Is that clear? You want your vehicle to be bigger, your house to be bigger, and that is where EMI is. I have never borrowed in my life, even once. So life is good. I went for powerful business, scaled up, 100 a day, 1,000 a day, 10,000 a day. Today 100,000 tests a day crossed. Today we do 400,000 tests a day. So our dream is go to 1 million and add one more zero. And I wish Revati to add more zeros, because I was very impressed the way in which she connects liters, kiloliters, crores. Mathematicians must know what zeros mean and add zeros. So I never borrowed, but some people wanted my stock. I didn't want to dilute, but they want my stock. Then I thought my company may be worth 200 crore. I don't want to sell. So I told 400 crore. They asked me, how 400 crore? I said, it is my table. It is not your table. If you come to my table, yan table ku vanda naan solradha number. Purinjada? So the guys were angry, kept the coffee and went away. They again came inside. This time I didn't want to tell 400. I told 500. The guys went away before even the coffee came. I was extremely happy because I didn't want to dilute. The third time the guys came. Even without wasting coffee, I don't want to waste coffee. I straight away told 600 crore. They told I have brought the check. Guys, trust me, in 600 crore, I diluted 25% of my stock, not because I wanted money, just did it. Another 6 months, one more guy comes. I thought if I go 100 by 100, these guys will all purchase out. So my mind was thinking, let me go 200 by 200. But the guy had a bag. If it has a checkbook, if I tell 800, and if he tells I have brought a checkbook, I have to cut. Mind was telling 1,000. What came out from my mouth was 1200. 1200 கோடிகள் என்றேன். He said, I have brought checkbook. Guys, trust me, in 1200, I diluted 10 more percent. After 5 more years, the first guy had to go out. He didn't find a proper party. He came to me, can we do IPO? I said, yes, why not? My other directors took me aside. IPO? Arey, it is very painful. Lot of disclosures, lot of questions. I told him, look, I left Coimbatore only for a thrill. I married a Bombay girl only for a thrill. I left a government job only for a thrill. I took private equity guys only for a thrill. I want thrill. I want all of you to understand, there is no thrill, there is no life. So we went for an IPO. SEBI permitted, you are entitled for 2,400 crore market cap. So we got subscribed first day 4 times, second day 10 times. I thought third day will be 20 times. Trust me, third day, when the day was ending, it got subscribed 75 times. It got listed at 3,400 crore. எனக்கு புரியவே இல்லை. டாய்லெட்டுக்கு 10 தடவை போயிருப்பேன். So, in the evening, suddenly there was a lawyer notice in my smartphone. The notice says, you have cheated me. Then I am reading inside. He came to submit his bid for his shares and his computer was hanging. Whose computer was hanging? His computer. Who got lawyer notice? Me. I slept peacefully. After 3 days, I was called by Bombay court, summoned by Bombay court. If you don't appear, your IPO will be stayed. By the time, went to the court. The judge asked me a question. Do you have objection in taking this money? Have you seen any high court judge forcing you to take money? எங்கேயாவது உலகத்தில் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அவங்க வேலையெல்லாம் லண்டன்ல போய் அவனுங்கெல்லாம் ஒவ்வொருத்தனா தூக்கிட்டு வந்து ரிகவரி பண்ற வேலை. Have you understood? I said, I have no objection. Judge passes an order. 3 words in that order, accept this money. Now if I don't accept, it is contempt of the court. And the amount was 350 crores. The client was Kotak Mahindra Bank. Punchline, கொடுக்கிற தெய்வம் கொடுக்கிற தெய்வம் இல்ல ஹைகோர்ட்ல இருந்தும் கொடுக்கும். Guys, that was a wonderful journey, but I want to conclude by another 5 minutes time. Whenever I see such a huge crowd, I am very motivated to teach them something on parenting. I am known for running, teaching on how to parent, because people ask me, you are very powerful. From where you got this power? I tell them, it is because my parents did not do anything for me. கொஞ்சம் உல்டாவா தெரியுதா? ஆன்டிதீசிஸா தெரியுதா? அப்பவே எம்ஜிஆர் பாட்டு பாடிட்டு போனாரு. எந்த குழந்தையும் நல்ல குழந்தைதான் மண்ணில் பிறக்கையிலே. All children by default are creators. If they become consumers, it is because of the parents, grandparents and servants. Yes or no? அதுதான் உண்மை. அதுதான். My parents did not do anything for me. My parents did not pamper me. My mother had to pamper only the buffalo, not me, because I was not giving the milk, only buffalo was giving the milk. There was no overfeeding. There was nothing to feed. Trust me guys, nowadays a 7-year-old boy is held in hand and an young and beautiful lady takes him for a buffet spread in 7-star hotel. 7-year boy in a 7-star hotel doesn't like anything. இன்னும் எத்தனை ஸ்டார் சார் மிச்சம் வச்சிருக்கிறீங்க? 7 வயசுலயே 7 ஸ்டார் பிடிக்காம போச்சுன்னா, ட்ரஸ்ட் மீ, டோன்ட் ஓவர் ஃபீட். நெக்ஸ்ட், மை பேரண்ட்ஸ் டிட் நாட் புஷ் மீ டு மார்க்ஸ். தே டிட் சேஸ் மீ இன் மார்க்ஸ். 200க்கு 200 மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ்னு பெருமையை எங்க அப்பா கூட போய் சொன்னேன். You know what my dad said? Why are you telling a lie? I have only heard so far 100 marks. ஏன்னா 10வது வரைக்கும் 100 தான் மார்க், அப்புறம் தான் 200 மார்க். Trust me, today 195 is severely beaten up because neighbor is 198. Yes or no? Trust me. Punchline. I told one more punchline. English is a language. English is not knowledge. ரெண்டாவது punchline. Marks are marks. Marks are not knowledge. Don't push the children to unnecessarily to the extreme. My parents did not give fear in me. They have brought in confidence in me. My father one day asked, "You want to learn swimming?" I said, "Yes." He took me to a well, Kuwa, well. 30 steps. Get on, get on, get on. I got down 5 steps and my father kicked me inside the water. And he jumped and brought me out and I was crying. He told me, for 1 or 2 minutes, no one dies. Relax. And you know nowadays what is happening? MNCs, IT companies, Rotarians and MD doctors. These 4 people, what they know? They have too much of money. Because they have too much of money, their bicycle has 4 wheels. The son is sitting on the vehicle. Helmet. And the father is still holding. And the mother is telling, "Don't worry, Papa is holding." Guys, don't scare the child. Allow him to fall. இன்னைக்கு விழுந்தான்னா சின்ன அடிபடும், நாளைக்கு விழுந்தான்னா பெரிய அடிபடும். I want all of you to understand, many people are doing wrong. My parents did not make special roads for children. They ensured their children can run in any road. Today, unfortunately, all rich men are thinking, I have 3-bedroom hall kitchen, I have 2 children, I will get him on 3-bedroom hall kitchen, I'll get him on. Vittal Mallayya made so many bedroom hall kitchen. Where is Vijay Mallayya today? Is that clear? Relax. My parents did not force me to see the world through their eyes. They saw the world through my eyes. Trust me, parents, today's generation is 5 years. Every 5 years, generation is changing. TikTok world is different from WhatsApp world. WhatsApp was different from Facebook world. And every 5 years, world is changing. Change along with your child. Don't force your child to be constant with you. So, in the parenting sambandhamanade, I want all of you to make sure you don't continue to pamper. And one advice, drive children after 20 out of home. ஏன் தெரியுமா? ஒரு 5 வருஷம் 10 வருஷம் கஷ்டப்பட்டான்னா அவன் ரொம்ப பவர்ஃபுல் ஆயிடுவான். மதர் வில் நாட் பி கீன் டு டூ. அவங்க மதர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா பக்கத்து தெருவிலேயே பொண்ணு பார்ப்பாங்க. உண்டா இல்லையா? So this is my inputs on parenting, and let me tell you, my entire talk, my entire success, my entire power, all were only because of my wife, Mrs. Sumathi Velumani. She is no more. She is no more. I lost her for a pancreatic cancer. 4 years back, I lost her. This was nearing the IPO. We both wanted to ring the bell in the stock exchange together. She was not there. I was alone ringing the bell there. It was for the brilliant child of Thyrocare. I only gave the sperms. She was the brilliant mother. And we were like Everest expedition. Only 50 more meters left out, and my wife left her hand. We both were BSc when we got married. She remained as a BSc. She made me MSc. She made me PhD. She made me scientist. She made me entrepreneur. She made me a storyteller. She taught me Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. Most powerful lady. Please give a round of applause to this most powerful lady. கொஞ்சம் பாசமலர் மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டேன். That is the story. கடைசி வரைக்கும் தெரியாது அந்த அம்மா இல்லைன்னு யாருக்குமே. இது the kind of packaging I have done so that it will have an impact. And let me tell you, get you back within few seconds. One day my wife asked me, Can you counsel? To whom? Your son. He was 18 years. You understand, counseling for an 18-year-old boy. So I was very scared. I asked her, what is the issue? She told he is in 12th standard. He is not focused. Oh, this is a simple problem. I made my son to sit down, my daughter this side, my wife this side, and I told my son, listen to me very carefully. Are you serious? Yes, sir. Yes, daddy, I'm serious. My grandfather was extremely rich. He was so rich, because of pampering, my father became poor. My father was extremely poor. So poor, I have become extremely rich. Now I am worried about you. புரிஞ்சுதா? பணக்காரர், ஏழை, பணக்காரன், I am worried about you. You know what he told? Daddy, I am very happy. Happy? Why? My son will be very, very rich. Ladies and gentlemen, every successful man has a lady behind. Yes or no? And every failed man has many ladies behind. I was fortunate to have two ladies behind me. One was my mother, who brought me till I was 25, kept the intestine alive. Then another lady who took control of me and took best things out of me. These two ladies are the most successful ladies, not me. And I want all of you to understand, if men are successful, families will prosper. And if women are successful, societies will prosper. Thank you, Rotary 3202. Thank you, all those who persuaded me. And it was my own hometown. I enjoyed a lot. God bless you. Have a wonderful evening and enjoy.